In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with affiliate marketing using your Whop account. Whether you're looking to make some extra income or want to explore new partnerships, Whop is a fantastic platform to help you dive into the world of affiliate programs and clipping campaigns effortlessly. First things first, the journey begins with logging into your Whop account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up on their website, but for those who are, simply enter your login credentials and you'll be taken straight into your personal dashboard. It's a user-friendly interface designed so that even beginners can navigate through it with ease. Once you're in the dashboard, the next thing you'll do is head over to the affiliates section. This is where Whop gathers all available affiliate programs and clipping campaigns for you to explore. Take your time browsing through the array of options available. You might discover some fantastic products or services that align perfectly with your interests or niche. After you've identified a campaign or product you'd like to promote, it's time to select it. At this stage, you might want to pay attention to the details, such as commission rates, target audience, and the type of content that best suits the campaign. Selecting the right product is crucial, as it can significantly influence your success in this endeavor. With your choice made, the next step is to create a compelling clip or link to the product or service using Whop's clipping tools. This tool is pivotal as it allows you not only to generate your unique affiliate link, but to craft a piece of content that can engage and entice your audience. Take advantage of this by making it as appealing and informative as possible. It's your chance to make a strong first impression. Now, with your clip ready, it's time to share it far and wide across social media, your personal blogs, or any websites you might own or contribute to. Social media platforms are particularly effective for this due to their vast audience reach. Don't hesitate to use engaging captions, eye-catching visuals, or even personal testimonials to enhance your promotional efforts. When someone clicks on your clip and goes on to purchase or subscribe, you earn a commission. This is where your efforts begin to pay off. It's the rewarding part of affiliate marketing where your hard work reaches fruition. To keep track of how well you're doing, regularly check your Whop dashboard to monitor your earnings. The platform offers real-time insights into your performance, which can help you understand which strategies are working best. Once you've accumulated earnings, you can easily withdraw them to your linked payment method. Just a few simple clicks and your commissions are transferred to your account. That's it, a straightforward yet effective way to delve into affiliate marketing with Whop. Whether you're doing this as a side project or a full-time venture, remember that persistence and creativity go a long way in succeeding in this field. Happy promoting!